Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ClearScore Credit Score Review, my UK credit monitoring experience. ClearScore Credit Score Review, my UK credit monitoring experience offers free credit reports and scores, along with tools to help you understand and improve your creditworthiness. It's primarily aimed at UK residents who want to keep track of their credit health and potentially access better financial products. Key features include access to your Equifax credit report and score, personalized tips for credit improvement, and alerts for changes to your credit file. Their website provides details on how ClearScore works. They emphasize ease of use and transparency, with no hidden fees or contracts. Unlike some other credit monitoring services, ClearScore uses Equifax data, which is one of the 3 major credit reference agencies in the UK. You can sign up directly through their website, and it's available to anyone legally residing in the UK. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ClearScore Credit Score Review, my UK credit monitoring experience. Getting started was incredibly simple. I just had to create an account with my basic details and answer a few security questions. The whole process took less than 5 minutes. Navigating the interface is straightforward. The dashboard clearly displays your credit score and key factors influencing it. I particularly liked the coaching section, which offered practical advice on improving my credit utilization ratio and managing my existing accounts. The service performed well, quickly updating my credit score and report whenever there were changes. For example, when I paid off a credit card balance, the change reflected in my ClearScore report within a couple of days. I had a quick question about one of the factors affecting my score, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email with a clear and helpful answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making complex credit information easily digestible. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized recommendations. They felt genuinely tailored to my financial situation. One minor drawback was the occasional promotional emails for financial products, but they were easily manageable. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ClearScore. It offers a valuable free service for anyone looking to monitor and manage their credit health in the UK. That's my overview of ClearScore Credit Score Review, my UK credit monitoring experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.